Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm going to be doing a video that has been going around. It's called I Follow Blank's Makeup Tutorial. So I'm pretty sure Thomas Halbert started this. He did a Jeffree Star video, or he followed his makeup tutorial, Jeffree Star's, and then Jeffree Star did it, and then everyone's just doing it now. So, that's what I'm doing. So yeah, this is me doing that, and I will be doing Nikkietutorials makeup tutorial. I love Nikkie so much. I watched her literally since the beginning for like 3-4 years maybe. I've watched her. She's like one of the first people I've watched. We have the same makeup style, we have the same eye shape. So I really want to do hers, and I love her dramatic glam. I never recreate hers, although I really have always wanted to. I never have, so now I have the opportunity to actually follow it. So, the video I'm going to be doing is called, let's see. So the video I'm going to be doing is this one. This is Prom Makeup Tutorial. This is a white cut crease and diamond eyeliner. I think this is beautiful. It's like a nice, beautiful, it's very striking on the eyes, and I like how it's like a new lip and all that stuff. So I really want to do this. I think it'd be so pretty.
Hi my loves! So today I'm doing a tutorial on this prom-ish makeup look right here. I wanted to create something very soft and like elegant, but still with like a very fun twist to it. So I did this white matte cut crease with,
y'all know I love me a cut crease, so
rhinestone liner, and I was crazy inspired by this post on Twitter. Oh my god, that is pure and utter makeup gold. So before we start with anything, you want to make sure that you have a very nice moisturized base to work with. I went in with a couple of moisturizers like an hour before filming to really let it soak in. So I think now it's time to kick it up.
Alright, so I don't have an hour, but I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize. I'm gonna use this by Everglow. This is the Water Burst Moisturizer. I also did choose a makeup tutorial because it's pretty neutral, so I feel like I don't have to pull from a specific palette. Just because I want to make sure that I can really like duplicate it and use the same products and techniques.
The first product I'll be going in with is by NYX. This is called the Angel Veil, and
I think I have that. Let me look. Okay, so I do have that primer right here. So let's see how she applies it.
Heard a lot of great things about this in the comment section, so thank you so much for recommending this to me, and let's try it out.
Well, she never used this before, so she's just gonna pat it in with her hands.
It feels very...
I've never used this before. Whoa, it's like silicone almost.
For foundation, really, I'm going to go in with one of my all-time favorite combinations, the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover in 301 with the...
Wait, let me see if I have that. I don't even know.
Total Cover in 301 with the L'Oreal
301, I'm 302.
Pro Glow in 201. And I'll be applying this all using my Sigma Beauty 3D.
So I only have this, I don't have the other one.
HD blender.
Okay, I don't have that. I do have a black beauty blender though. So I'm gonna get this wet and I'll go ahead and apply this. And I'll be right back.
Now, as you can see, this is a very full coverage combo, but I feel like for prom, with all those photos taken, it doesn't hurt to use a little bit more coverage. For concealer today, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Concealer.
I think I've used this foundation one time. It's a little bit lighter. Dang it, she's lighter than me. I'll just take it on the neck a little bit. I feel like you definitely need to apply this foundation with a sponge because it's kind of thick. It's like really thick actually. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to concealer.
Color Sand.
Oh wait, what did she use?
Color Sand. It's a little bit more coverage. For concealer today, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Concealer.
I have that. We're on a good roll. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead. I have that Morphe Concealer in shade Sand. I'm pale now, so this is actually going to be a good shade for me. Let's see how she applies it.
Color Sand.
She's a big one. Okay, and then she just blends it out. This concealer is thick too. I feel like you definitely need, oh my god, that's bright. I think you definitely need a beauty blender as well with this. And I think I've actually only used this concealer once as well. So I like how I'm using like new products.
using my Dermablend powder.
Dermablend powder, I don't have that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Patrick Star, oh that's messy, my Patrick Star MAC powder, Patrick's powder. And she's using the sponge, so I'm gonna go ahead, dip my sponge into that, go underneath. She's got a lot under there. Alright, so I just went ahead and did eyebrows off camera because I noticed that she did, although she didn't tell me. Okay, I did set it with the Patrick's powder.
Medium warm tone brown. I'm just defining my crease from inner to outer corner, and make sure you blend the edges with a clean brush after.
Okay, a medium warm tone brown. Alright, so she said a medium warm tone brown. I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade right here from the Morphe Jock and Hill palette. This one is called Mocha. Pigmented. I feel like hers is way more orangey. I'm gonna go in with the shade Roxanne from the palette and just mix it a little bit.
I'm also going to go a little bit above my natural crease so that when I look straight forward with my hooded eyes, you still see some of the white peeking through.
So she's using NYX's White Cream Gel Liner. So I think I have that. Let me look. Alright, so I do have that gel liner. I'm actually surprised how much products I have. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut the crease with this. I don't think this is creamy enough, but we'll see. Is this a half cut crease? What is this? I don't know. That shape is interesting.
Now I'm going to set that new crease area using a matte.
Okay, let me go ahead and make that shape. Actually, this is super pigmented. Super creamy. I want to see the shape of the eye when she's finished, like when she looks up.
And I'm softly blending.
Oh. She blends it away.
In that crease color on the outer third of the lid, smoothly blending it into the white.
Okay, so I could have just done a half cut crease.
Now with Nick.
Okay. So let's go ahead and set that with a white eyeshadow. Alright, so I'm going to use Jeffree's new eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the white called Glucose. I'm just going to set that cream. Oh my god, this eyeshadow is one of the most pigmented whites I probably ever used. I'm going to go back in with the crease color and I'm going to go ahead and go over the white and try and blend it. I wish I would have known that she was going to cover this up. I wouldn't have put all this right here.
Crease color on the outer third of the lid.
It looks like she wiped some of it away. Is she trying
Now
me?
softly blend.
Okay. This is not gonna work. Really? Nikki, really, girl? Oh, she's taking a eyeshadow brush, like a packing brush, and she's kind of blending it like that. So I'm gonna try and use a packing brush and try and blend it. I did wipe off the outer V. I don't know why she did that shape, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and blend these together, which I don't think they're going to. Okay, I'm getting annoyed. Alright, so I think that's as good as it's gonna get. It could be better, but it also could be worse. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move on.
the white liquid liner. I'm going to create a wing and define the edge of where my new crease is.
Okay, so white, I think I actually might have this. I do. I'm shocked. I have a lot of these products. I'm scared to do this actually. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the eyeliner. I'm honestly scared for this part. I don't often use whites or liquid eyeliner. I usually use cream. Alright, so now she's taking a white eyeliner
For the waterline.
and she's putting in her waterline.
And remember that crease color? I'm also applying that to the lower lash line.
Okay, so let's put a white eyeliner in the eye. I'm just going to use this one by Smashbox. This is They're Always on Lash eyeliner, and this is in blank. Alright, now I'm going to take that crease color and put that underneath the lower lash line. So I don't have Lily lashes, but I'm just going to go ahead and put on any pair of lashes that I have. Actually, I'm going to put on my favorite pair, and then finish the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the eyes are completed. Besides the mascara on the bottom, I'll do that after my face is complete.
So I like to go in with the Hula Light first to warm up my skin.
Hula Light. I don't have Hula Light, but I have Hula. So let's go ahead and use that.
It already gives me more light. And also let's not forget about the forehead and temples.
I don't know if I like this foundation. My bronze, this is like lifting it up. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but there's like a, that does not look good at all. I don't like this foundation.
Blush, I'm going to go for a nice peachy coral to really liven up that base. I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild blush in Pearlescent Pink.
Oh, I think I have that actually. Alright, so I have Pearlescent Pink.
Can't get enough of Everglow. The relaunch is so close. I cannot wait for you to get your hands on this if you didn't get it with the first launch.
Alright, so I don't have that Everglow highlighter, but I do have this one from OFRA. This is Rodeo Drive, so I'm just going to pop her one.
Therefore, I'm going to go in with one of my all-time favorite nude lipsticks that stays and looks beautiful with this look. This is Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW.
I do have it. Alright, I am shook that I have a lot of this. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Kim KW. I actually do like this lip a lot, so let's see. I think that's it.
Alright,
basically.
and now to finish it all off, I'm going to set my face using this setting spray.
I don't have that.
This
Ooh.
from Nikkietutorial. I hope you enjoyed.
Does it look similar?
I really, really love this. Like, I had so much fun playing with the matte colors and then the rhinestones. I think it's very elegant.
Very elegant. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I was actually surprised I had that many products as she did. I literally am obsessed with this look. I need to like go somewhere in this. I'm not the biggest fan of the foundation. It's a little crumbly, not crumbly, it's a little cakey looking and dry. But everything else, I pretty much love that she chose. The cut crease, the half cut crease, it wasn't a half cut crease, she did a full cut crease, which threw me off and made things more difficult. The other eye, the second one, I just did a half cut crease and it looks literally the same and it was so much easier. I think it looks way better too, like the blending is a lot better. So if you are going to recreate this, just do like a half cut crease and don't worry about doing all that she did. I think she didn't know what she was doing at first and then she kind of like, you know, did this. Yeah, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. If you guys want to see me do any other like other YouTubers, other beauty gurus, leave your suggestions in the comments down below. I might end up doing that. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And you should, because I think this is on par. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Deuces.